Platform 10 for the 1344 Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central. Calling at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of this train.
Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will be calling at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station is St Helens Bridge. We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Central only. This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of this train. The train now approaching Platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 2 for the 1347 Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central. Calling at Stepford Central only. This train has 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of this train. Platform 3 for the 13:51, Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Walter
Welcome
Newton,
on board this
Leighton
Stepford Express
Stepford Road,
service to
Leighton
Stepford Central.
Edmead,
The
Fairmere,
next station
West Coast,
is Stepford
Newcastle,
Central.
West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore, and Lynn by the Sea. Morganstown, Stepford Airport Central, Airport Terminal 1, and Airport Terminal 2.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please.
Leighton Stepford Road. The train now approaching platform 14 terminates here.